We're going to be watching out for some snow, but the good news is I think the snow is mainly going to be during the overnight hours, so shouldn't have big impacts on travel, but it will be around during the morning hours tomorrow. So here's a look at a tweet sent in by Kevin Schumacher. He sent this in saying this was this morning from Jeffersonville in Indiana, and you can see just a dusting there, but we're going to see some accumulating snow. In fact, we have been well below average for seasonal snowfall. If we go all the way back to July the 1st, so far we've only had 11 inches of snow. Normally by now we have over 18 inches of snow, so that puts us in a deficit of over 7 inches of snow. So we certainly could add on to that. We're watching out for this clipper. It's going to be moving across central Indiana a little bit later on tonight into tomorrow. Off to our west is the next storm system. This will push in for the end of the weekend. So we have a lot of waves in the atmosphere causing some of these disturbances. Of course, we had that light snow earlier this morning. That has moved on out of here. The clouds started to thin out this morning. They're starting to fill back in again now. 30 degrees right now in Muncie. It's 32 in Terre Haute, 30 in Indianapolis, and today we'll see those clouds increasing. Not going to see that temperature move hardly at all into those low 30s, and wind chill values right now still in those upper teens, low 20s across central Indiana. So a chilly afternoon with that wind out of the northwest. As we get into the overnight hours, we'll start to see the leading edge of this clipper system moving in. With clipper systems, they move through rather quickly, and they bring in normally some big snowflakes, so we see the accumulation pretty fast with the very cold air in play. So this will move through, giving us some quick snowfall. It will start to really decrease with intensity by really around sunrise tomorrow. Then most of it will be out of here by mid-morning tomorrow. But we still could see some accumulating snow out of this, forecasting up to 1 inch of snow from Indianapolis and points to the east. Outside of that darker blue area, I think we could see around a ½ an inch, perhaps a little bit more, a little bit less around there, but most areas will see some snow first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon climb to around 34 degrees. As we get into Saturday night into Sunday, we're going to start to see the next system moving in. This one will start off as some snow, but as the warmer air starts to push in, we're going to see it transitioning back into a little bit of rain. So it is going to be a bit of a mix to start off with, but temperatures Sunday afternoon climb into the low 40s. So that will be warm enough to allow that to be a rain-only event. Temperatures only fall to 36 Monday morning. We'll see that rain ending Monday morning. We'll be in for a couple of dry days before more unsettled weather returns by the middle of next week.